The 2024 Lamborghini Urus Mansory is a stunning example of high-end customization and performance. Based on the Urus S or Urus Performante, the Mansory Venatus S is a complete vehicle conversion that transforms the already impressive SUV into a supercar on wheels. The Venatus S boasts a whopping 900 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, thanks to a new engine management system and a large volume sports exhaust system. The V8 twin-turbo engine can propel the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 325 km per hour. The handling is superb, with a precise steering and a responsive suspension. The fuel efficiency is not the best, as expected from such a powerful machine, but it is not the main concern for the target audience of this car. The design of the Venatus S is striking and aggressive, with a carbon fiber front end, a new roof spoiler, and a redesigned rear apron with diffuser. The star-shaped daytime running lights are a unique feature that add to the car's personality. The car is available in a limited launch edition of 9 units, with a carbon roof as standard. The 24-inch Yin 0.5 Air alloy wheels are ultra-light and sporty, and complement the car's aerodynamic profile. The interior of the Venatus S is luxurious and comfortable, with a white leather upholstery and a carbon design. The seats are spacious and supportive, and the cabin is well insulated from the road noise. The quality of the materials is top-notch, and the craftsmanship is evident in every detail. The car is equipped with a state-of-the-art technology system, with a large touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display. The controls are user-friendly and intuitive, and the car offers a range of safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The Venatus S is a car that has it all: performance, design, features, and driving experience. It is a car that will turn heads and impress anyone who sees it or drives it. The only drawbacks are the high price tag and the limited availability, which make it a rare and exclusive car. However, for those who can afford it and appreciate it, the Venatus S is a dream come true. I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a unique and exhilarating SUV that combines the best of Lamborghini and Mansory.